So this week I wanted to make a video that is a little bit more general in the realms of technology, and I kind of want to answer a common question, which is why do computers and other electronics use binary as their number system to transport, store, do anything with data? So first we have to understand what components make up computers, and by and large one of the most used component in a computer on the microscopic scale is a transistor, which is essentially just an on and off switch. And those are the devices that are used to essentially do all of the calculations and everything. Every other digital component is essentially built out of transistors and other very small components packed together on a chip. What a transistor does, since it's on and off, is it can either allow electricity through or not. So all the calculations and everything need to be based off of on and off switches, and the best way to represent data for a system that runs off of on and off switches is binary, because it is either a 1 or a 0. It's either on or off. So in the memory register you can store things in binary, and then it gets run through the system through whatever processes and things are there through those on and off switches, and it's just easier to use binary for that system. Since you're dealing with 1s and 0s, on and off switches just tend to make sense with those, because you can represent 0s with off and 1s with on. Now there are some other common number bases that are used in computers, such as hexadecimal or really any other kind of higher than decimal number base, and that's mainly just because that allows you to store very large numbers with a limited number of characters, but those aren't used at a deep hardware level. Those are generally used in an upper level software level for storing data. So in general, everything at some point becomes binary inside the computer. So I hope that this video kind of was helpful. For those of you that were wondering why the heck binary is used in computers, I know it's a short video, but I just kind of want to make that because I've been getting questions from friends and family and stuff about that, and asking, why are computers using binary? Why don't they just use regular counting numbers? So I hope that you find that helpful. If you did, go ahead and leave a like on the video. If you like the content on this channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments about computer number systems and things like that, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try and answer any of those questions. And I will see you guys in the next video. No.